Replacing windows is a major decision, and choosing the right window style can significantly affect comfort, usability, and the overall look of your home. For many Covington homeowners, slider windows are an excellent replacement option, especially in homes where space, functionality, and ease of use matter most. Understanding when slider windows are the best choice can help homeowners make a confident and informed decision. Ideal for rooms with limited wall space, slider windows operate horizontally rather than opening outward or upward. This design makes them especially useful in rooms where space is limited. In Covington homes, slider windows work well above kitchen sinks, along narrow walls, or in rooms where furniture placement restricts outward opening windows. Their low-profile design maximizes usable interior space without sacrificing natural light. A smart choice for easy, everyday operation, slider windows are known for their smooth, simple operation. They glide open along a track, making them easy to use for homeowners of all ages. For Covington residents, slider windows offer a practical solution for frequently used spaces such as living rooms, bedrooms, and family areas where ease of access is important. Well suited for wide window openings, homes with wider window openings often benefit from slider windows. Their horizontal design allows for larger glass areas without the need for multiple separate windows. In Covington homes, slider windows create a clean, modern look while providing expansive views and abundant natural light. Supporting comfort in changing seasonal conditions, Covington experiences seasonal temperature changes that make window performance important. Modern slider windows are designed with improved sealing and insulated glass. When installed correctly, slider windows help maintain indoor comfort by reducing drafts and limiting heat transfer throughout the year. Perfect for homes with outdoor views, slider windows are an excellent option for homeowners who want to highlight outdoor scenery. Their wide glass panels provide unobstructed views of yards, gardens, or surrounding landscapes. In Covington homes, this makes slider windows a popular choice for rooms facing patios, backyards, or open green spaces. Lower maintenance compared to some window styles, slider windows have fewer moving parts than some operable window styles. This often translates to less maintenance over time. For Covington homeowners looking for a low-maintenance replacement option, slider windows provide durability and long-term reliability when properly maintained. Compatible with modern and traditional home, slider windows blend easily with a variety of architectural styles. Whether replacing windows in a modern build or updating an older home, they offer design flexibility. In Covington neighborhoods, slider windows complement both contemporary and classic home designs without appearing out of place. Improving indoor light distribution, because slider windows often feature large glass areas, they allow more natural light into the home. For Covington homeowners, brighter interiors can make rooms feel more spacious, welcoming, and comfortable. Professional installation ensures optimal performance. While slider windows offer many benefits, their performance depends heavily on proper installation. Professional installers ensure the window is level, sealed, and aligned correctly. In Covington homes, expert installation prevents air and water infiltration and ensures smooth operation. When slider windows make the most sense. Slider windows are the best replacement choice when homeowners prioritize space efficiency, ease of use, wide views, and low maintenance. For Covington homes with limited wall space, wide openings, or a desire for simple operation, slider windows offer a practical and comfortable solution. Choosing the right window style and installing it professionally ensures lasting performance and everyday comfort.